Hello everyone, I am Preeti Mishra. In this video, I will explain you unity in diversity. Concept of the chapter is unity in diversity. To understand that each individual is unique and recognizing our individual differences. It is a concept of unity without uniformity and diversity without fragmentation. What kind of a country is India? India is a very large country with different landforms. Mountains, plains, valleys, islands, plateaus, deserts, rivers and seas are different landforms of our country. Even though there are differences in our food habits, language, clothing and religion, we live together as the people of one large country. That is called unity in diversity. Meaning of unity. Unity means togetherness. Meaning of diversity. Diversity means differences. Types of religion in India. You can see different religion symbols in this picture. Religions. India is home to people of many religions: Hindu, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis, and some others. Each religion is special. Types of food in India. What kind of food do we eat? The food we eat depends upon the places where we live and what grows in that place. In North India, wheat grows very well, so most people eat wheat based food such as chapati, naan, puri, etc. In South India, rice grows well here, so people eat rice based foods. People living along the coast generally eat seafood like fish, prawns, and crabs. What kind of clothes do we wear? The clothes we wear depends upon the climate of the place where we live. In very cold places, people wear thick woolen clothes. People living in hot and humid places like Kerala and Tamil Nadu wear loose cotton clothes. Different fabrics of India. In every state, we have weavers who make fabrics with designs that are unique to that place. Pochampalli is an unique fabric design of Telangana. Kanchipuram silk sari, Nagaland shawl, Assam Munga silk, Gujarat Bandhni, chicken embroidery from Lucknow. These fabrics are famous from different parts of the country. What language do we speak? India has 22 major languages. When you travel by train from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, you hear Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, Punjabi, and Kashmiri. You hear other languages too. On the reverse side of a 10 rupee note, you can see 15 scripts. 15 scripts of different languages you can see at the reverse side of a 10 rupees note and other notes also. 15 scripts are Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Festivals. Which festivals do we celebrate? We celebrate different festivals with each other. In each religion, people celebrate their festivals with great joy, wearing new clothes and cooking special feasts on those days. We celebrate three types of festivals: religious, national, and harvest festivals. Religious festivals are Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Vaisakhi, Navroz, Patati. Holi and Diwali. Holi is celebrated in the spring season because it is welcoming spring. Hindus believe that spring is full of colors, so they play Holi with colors and flowers. After play the Holi, people meet with each other. Gujia is the special dish of this festival. Diwali is called the festival of lights. On this day, people clean their houses and shops and decorate them with lights. Children play with crackers, eat sweets, and greet to each other Happy Diwali. Eid. Eid al-Fitr is a festival of breaking the fast and marks the end of the fasting month of Ramzan. Muslims celebrate this festival with great enthusiasm. People wear new clothes, offer namaz in mosques. Simaya are cooked in homes. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25 December every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated all over the world. People decorate their houses. They also decorate Christmas tree. Prayers are offered in church. National festivals. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are our national festivals. Republic Day and Independence Day. Republic Day is a day to remember when India's constitution came into force on January 26, 1950. Every year we celebrate this festival on 26 January. Flag hosting ceremonies and parades by armed forces and school children are held in different parts of the country. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. Our country India got freedom on this day. Independence Day is observed throughout our country with flag hosting ceremonies, parades and cultural events. Harvest festivals. There are three harvest festivals: Bihu of Assam, Onam of Kerala, Pongal of Tamil Nadu. Bihu. Bihu of Assam. Assamese Bihu is one of the most important cultural festivals of Assam. We celebrate the change in seasons. It mainly caters to the agrarian culture and society of the state and marks the beginning of Assamese New Year. Onam. Onam falls on the first month of the Malayalam calendar called Chingam. Onam is an annual holiday and festival celebrated in Kerala. Pongal. Pongal is a multi-day Hindu harvest festival of South India, particularly in the Tamil community. Pongal is one of the most important festivals celebrated by Tamil people in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry in India. It is also a major Tamil festival in Sri Lanka. Kite flying festival of Uttarayan. Kite flying festival or Uttarayan. We are all Indians. Although we have differences, we all are Indians. Makar Sankranti. Kite flying festival is celebrated on Makar Sankranti day in many parts of India. This is the biggest celebration in Gujarat. On the day, winter ends and summer begins. People enjoy with their friends and family members. Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means though we have many differences in India, we are together and are one people of one country. India has many people following many religions and speaking many languages, just as a weaver uses threads of many wonderful glowing colors to create a beautiful fabric. So, to the many different kinds of people in our country make India an interesting and beautiful land. We all live together as Indians first and foremost. Thank you.